besties, welcome back to the channel. It's a girl Mercy. So for today's video, I'm just gonna start this vlog from here, and then when you share to job, I don't know where it's gonna like end, but I was just thinking like maybe I should do a weekly vlog with you guys. So I know you're wondering why I have this on my like head, but I just like today I woke up, I did my workout, and it was so good. And I just came from the shower and I washed my hair, so that is why I have it on my head for it to dry. And I'm gonna go to the salon real quick, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. Yeah, guys. So this video is going to be just a weekly vlog because this week I have like I'm just gonna apply my gloves. Um, this week I have like a couple of things I need to do, so I said like why not make this a weekly vlog. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys have been okay. This is the lip gloss I used, and I'm just like I said, like I'm just straight from the shower. I did my skincare and I'm feeling like so fresh. But anyway, guys, see you when I see you at the salon. Guys, I think I should show you my hair. So yeah, in the morning, like yeah, this that's like my hair is at least dry. So after I want to comb it real quick, but I'm gonna like do that and then I'll get back to you guys. Okay, stay tuned. Bye.
Say my name, cause those other men are practice. And this ain't no time
Guys,
for
I just
acting.
combed
This
my
ain't no
hair
time
like
for games. And this ain't no time for certainty. This ain't no time for locking your phone and not coming home and start some shit. This is what I've been saying. No new friends, no new. You know how this shit goes. This is not 4 years ago. Time escapes me now. Forget how it felt when this shit moves slow. I come through and wish to make a young will take the long way home. All my young boys around me say you get money and fuck these hoes. Where we learn these values, I do not know what to tell you. I'm just trying to find a reason not to go and lean. And I need someone that'll help me think of someone besides myself. I need someone I'll be to the front door with. You don't wanna hide no more, cause you're not shy no more. Neither of us wanna play the sides no more. No, not alone, even though nothing was the same. Let me get your ass alone. Let me make you say my name, say my name. Say my name, say my name. You know it's around, just say it, I love you. Say my name, say my name. You got to cut shade. Baby, I'm such a Look, I know girls love Beyonce. Girls love to fuck with your conscience. Girls hate when them kids go missing. And shawty, you ain't no different. These days it's hard to meet women. Feel like my love life is finished. I've been avoiding commitment. That's why I'm in this position. I'm scared to let somebody in on this. No new friends, no. You know how this shit goes. You got your fair share of admirers that call your phone. You try to act like it's just me, but I am not alone. And if you're alone, then say my name, say my name. You know what it's around.
Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I introduced this vlog Jana, and I said like I'm gonna do a weekly vlog. So today is Thursday, and basically what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna go to visit the optician and get my eyes checked and hopefully get my lenses fixed. Yeah, I've been using this glasses for like the past 4 years, and I've been saying every year Nita renew the lenses. Is it new? Ama like get them fixed. So yeah, guys, and you guys then come on with how my hair looked yesterday. So this is how my hair looked. I had it blow dried. Yeah, so I will see you on my way to the optician. And good morning, guys. Ima, 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 Ima. Say hi to the vlog.
Hello.
Hi. Guys, I'm in the car right now. We're about to, drive to the clinic. So they're just parking my wheelchair. And yeah, if I'm not audible today, it's because I did not carry my microphone. I can't, like, if I was afraid that if I carry it, like, it might, inaweza potea. So I said, you know what, I'm just gonna, like, vlog like that without the microphone. So I hope you guys can hear me either way. So yeah, I'll see you. Bye.
Say you got a girl. How you want me? How you want me when you got a girl? And it's reckless. I'm knowing it's selfish. Knowing I'm desperate. Getting on it, and falling all over love. I do it till it's last. Hanging on the back, gonna be your last. Like, is you coming home? Is you out with her? I don't care long as you here by 10:30. No later than drop them drop.
What's your eye problem? What is your eye problem?
My eye problem is short-sightedness. The last time I came here, that's what was diagnosed.
Can you say please? So I'm going to close your left eye. Use the right eye. Can you read that? Is it better like that? Or is it better?
Oh, kama ningechukua na frame inakuwa na, cause last time nilichukua na hii. Oh, true. Guys, what do you think? Hebu leta nionyesha hizi. But hizi tosha. Leta hizo zingine nione. Guys, what do you think? Hi, say hi to the vlog. Hi guys. And my mom. Hi. Hi. Ano na mweupe hapa. Hi guys, so I'm back in the house. As we I'm going to the optician. So I'm back, and basically what gosh. Anyway. Hi guys. So I'm back. In the morning I went to the optician, but now I'm back. I picked up some few what? This is the one. I picked up my packages, so I'm going to unbox them in this video. So yeah, like guys, like nili unajua nawambianga every time that I usually shop on Jumia a lot. So like I have new stuff to unbox, and this is gonna be my first unboxing. Like this is gonna be my first time I'm unbox for YouTube. Anyway, guys, so tuanze nani? Ah, so tuanze na hizi like let me show you my glasses. So vile nilienda kwa optician, like he told me nilikuwa na I'm short sighted, but obviously I knew this, but what basically I wanted was to renew my lenses, and that was made possible by Optica. But then this is not even a sponsored ad. Mimi nasema tu. But yeah, Optica made this happen. So this is my glasses, but they are working, so like zina work vizuri, like this is how it looks on me. Yeah, I look wow. Unajua vile nimevaa vile ni bright. Gosh, naona kilia. Oh my god. So these are my glasses, and nili, niko kule stuff ile old hii kifuniko old coffee. So guys, my old box. My old box here, my glasses. This was it. Akiona vile imechapa. Imagine it was time I renewed one and I got it. So this is I really changed into this one. So this is how it looks. And this one is even better because um he honestly, like the material, this material is they say maji sasa. Hii material ni ya kuchapa, but hii ni ile like almost glass or something, hata sijui, but hii wezi wear, it doesn't wear this one, and they gave me a new cloth to wipe my glasses. So let me return them back. Yeah, and this is my old clothes, but this is okay, thank god. Honestly, this thing literally imechapa. So yes guys, so the next thing that I bought me sunglasses, because unajua when you have at least you need to protect your eyes from the light. It is very price.
It's not price.
The price of what?
Vitu.
Okay, so my brother is telling me it's my price. Price A box in 550. Yeah, actually I didn't want to buy this for 550. Ni vile tu the 350 one couldn't fit. Like the 350 box couldn't fit my glasses, so I had to go for this one. But anyway, it's still cute, right? So lens ni that 200 I haifunguki au ulifungaje? A designer sunglasses. Okay, this one I saw, then I was like, oh my god, you know what? Tiziachi. Ninazinunua hizi na. So guys, this is how it looks. And check your dim. Check your dim. They give me a clothes and a bag. Optica are the best, and I wish one day nitafanya kazi now, wanipe nikuwe influencer. Anyway, tusonge tuende kwa vitu za Jumia. So the first thing imeandikwa fragile, so iko tu makasi. So the next thing is Jumia. Actually, but you know what? Jumia sasa wanafaa anze kunipea kazi. Mimi nabayingi Jumia every other month. Like I buy things from Jumia every other month. Mbona unacheka? In fact, mimi nafanya the rest of this video nikiwa naijua. Najisikia. You know? So as I was saying, nafungua Jumia. And let's see. Oh wow. Oh my god, what the. Okay, first of all, ni kidogo. Nilikuwa nimebuy makeup sponges, and I didn't think they were this tiny, but they look good, imagine. How much was this? Is it 200 or something? But yeah, guys, that's how it looks. Bought on Jumia, and I'm going to try them out tomorrow because I'm gonna be applying makeup. So soft and skin friendly. Okay, we shall see if it's soft and skin friendly. The next one. Don't know what to Kubo. The next one. Oh wow! You must be seeing. Can you guess? Ni jama process.
Kujipaka. Nataka kujipaka.
Let me open. Hey guys, hi guys. What do you think this is? This is from Jumia. What do you think this is? Hmm? What do you think this is? Nitaomba sema again. So what do you think it is? Sawa, guess. Mom. Guess ni nini?
Unaweza kujipaka hapa hivi. Basi
Geometrical set. Geometrical set na mwenye atakaribia nitampea
hivi. Ona.
Lash eyebrows. So in eyebrow set. Then na eyeliner kwa hivi. What do you think this is? Mwenye anakaribia nampea kitu. Eyeliner. Oh gosh.
Hizo kujipaka hivi.
Hiyo ya hizo za kujipaka. Ni eyeliner ama ni eyelash?
Tunataka kusema.
Za kujipaka macho.
Hapo kama mtikareko.
Mascara. Mti refu ni gani?
Ya kujipaka eyeliner.
Eyeliner. Na wewe umesema ni ya eyebrows. Na then amesema ni haya, the big reveal basi. Tara tara. Bado mjui ni nini?
Ni hizo.
Guys.
Naona nilikuwa right.
Nini?
Hizo vitu za macho.
Nope.
Ya nini hiyo? Oh, dance scrap.
This is a tongue scraper, guys. Hakuna mtu mwenye amepata this is tongue scraper. Guys, this is you use it like you remove all your. So the next thing is this big box over here. Kuna mtu hapa amengojea hii box sana by the way. Kuna someone amengojea hii box. Hey. Anyway. So kumbe hii kitu inaleta giza. Anyway, so hii inafaa kuanzia wapi? The online shop you can trust. Me trust Jumia by the way. Me trust mbili. Sasa inaanzia wapi? So let me give my brother the honors of opening this because he has been waiting for it. Hakikafungua. Tiketi hapa. So guys, so I'm going to start in the order of the least favorite. Okay, basi. Okay, sawa, tuanze. So guys, here's the thing. Nataka kufanana na Udem by the way. Nataka kufanana na huyu. Sijui kama unaona, yeah, nataka kuona ule. So guys, this is called an ab roller, right? This is called an ab. Akiwa ameweka sentences mingi. Gosh. Sawa. So the first thing is this. Okay, mbona wana hii sasa hii ni ya nini? Guys, itakuja na earphones. And this one I'm gonna give to my brother because he just asked for it. Dr. Lipo covered the value of the house. Hey, it's okay. So it comes with an earphone. Jumia has got you guys. You're not sure Jumia. Mtu anaweza fikiria ni mjengo naanza and sasa mtu anafaa kuzishikanisha hadi kwani inachajiwa iko na cable ya nini? Chaja ni yako. Wait, mbona iko na chaja? Kama na charge.
Ndio maana. Ndio mama dada.
Guy, in your mat. Oh my god, Mungu ilikuwa imeandikwa. They said come with a free mat. Is this the mat? Because no. There's no way this is the mat. What? There's no way this is a mat. No, there's no way this is a mat. So guys, I think this is connected. Connected hapo imatindo. Connected hivi.
Meka mbili. Mbona kama moja? Mbona kama moja?
Oh. Maana nashangaa mbona kuna space yote.
Nasema mbona chukua.
So guys, the next thing is this is called a tamichima. So guys, this is the tamichima. This is a tamichima. I'm going to, I'm gonna maybe one day I'll how to use it, but yeah, basically that's it. This is how it looks like. Yeah, I think but guys, so that's it for my unboxing. I'm going to see you guys tomorrow because I'm gonna go to lunch with a friend and I'm gonna do makeup. So stay tuned for that, please. Please don't forget to subscribe. Come on, at this part of the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And guys, I'm gonna go. I'm so tired. Being in town is so exhausting. So I'm tired. In fact, see you tomorrow when I'm fresh from sleeping. Anyway, guys, stay tuned. Bye.